Hi friends, please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to touch the bell there so that you will be getting my updates as soon as I update my video. So let us see today how I'm going to make a cashew sweet. People who really crave for sweets, you will really like it. Let us see what all ingredients we need for that. Okay. So for that we need half a kg. I have taken half a kg cashew and I'm going to fry that in little ghee and then mix it in the jaggery pak. So these are the ingredients we need for this sweet. Once the kadai is heated, add the ghee into it. Once the ghee melts, add the cashew. Once you add the cashew in the ghee, slowly fry it so that it becomes light brown and crisp, and then take it in a bowl and keep it aside. See the way I have fried, it should be light brown and crisp. I have powdered the jaggery. I'll pour little water. I'll pour little water so that the jaggery melts, and I'll take the pak from that. I'll show you how to take the pak. To take the pak, I have taken little water in this bowl, and once the jaggery is melted, keep in a medium flame and slowly melt the jaggery. Don't keep the flame high and melt it, otherwise the jaggery will become too hard when you get the pak. So we need to stir it, and we got the bubbles also, and I'm going to check a little pak in this and see that whether I can take it. No. Okay, so we need to still stir it well, and then we'll get the pak. Yes, now can you see this? Like this we need to get the pak. Now we need to just add the cashews into it. I'm going to add the cashews into it and then mix it well so that the jaggery coats all the cashews. I have applied the ghee to this plate. Now I'm going to shift the whole cashew . This is a very simple recipe People who really love sweets, you can just go ahead and try this recipe. My yummy cashew sweet is ready. Hope you guys will try it at home and like it.